We'll guide you through how to stop running background apps on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to do this to go and save power, or just go and stop them running as you don't want them to be. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's this full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So there are different ways you can go about this. For the first way, what you want to do is come to the bottom here and you want to go and open up the app switcher, which is these three lines. The option can be on the right as well, so go and tap there. You then go and see all the apps which you're currently running, and you can go and swipe up on them like so, or what you can do is go and press close all, and I'll then go and close them all as you can see. And you can go and see active in background, you can go and tap there, and you can then go and see the apps and services that are active while running in the background. And what you can do is you can go and press stop like so, and you can then go and repeat that if there are others, and then you can press done and you've gone and stopped them there. The next way you can go about this is by opening up your settings. So go and swipe up, go and find settings. If you can't go and see it on that first page, swipe across until you find it. And you can also go and search for settings at the top. Then you want to go and tap it like so. Next, what we need to do is go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for apps. As you can see, here it is, and you want to go and tap on it. Go and wait for this to load. Here you're going to go and see the different apps which are on your device. So go and be patient. It shouldn't go and take too long. If you've got a lot of apps, it will take longer to go and find them all. So as you can see, we can now go and see them here. Now what you want to do is go and find an app that you want to go and stop running. So let's say I wanted to do with Authenticator, I could go and tap on it if you think it's running in the background. And then what you can do is go and press force stop in here. And what you can do is go and force stop it to go and completely go and stop it. And this app will now not go and be running. So that's how it can be done. Then for the next way, you can come out of here. And of course, you can go and repeat that for more apps here as well. Let's come out of here. For the next way, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for developer options. By default, this won't be showing on the device. What you need to do is go and find the option for about phone. Go and tap there. Let me just hide this, it's got some information. And then what you want to do is you want to go and find software information, and you want to go and find the option for build number. And you keep on tapping that, and you'll go and get a message here after you've tapped it enough times saying the amount of times you need to go and tap it in order to go and enable developer mode, but it's already enabled. So let's come back, and then you can go and open up developer options. So the first setting we're looking for in here, if we scroll down, is running services, and you want to go and click here. Wait for this to load. Now this is going to go and show you the different services which are currently running. So these are running in the background, and so what we can do is go and stop them. So you can go and find an app you may want to go and do this with. So let's go and say I want to go and do it with the Smart Things app here. I could go and tap on it, then you can go and stop it, and that'll then go and be stopped, as you can see. So alternatively, what you can do here as well is come back. And the next thing you want to go and scroll down and look for is background process limit. So what you can do is go and tap there, and what you could do is go and select no background processes like so. And what you can also do is go into background check and see if there's anything running there as well. So the next thing you want to do is come back to your main settings here. And then what you need to do is you want to go and find the battery settings. So in this case, we need to come into device care, wait for this to load. And then what you need to do is go and find battery. And then what you can do is find background usage limits. And if you're struggling to go and find battery, what you can do is always go and use the search function in the top right. So you can press search, and we can then go and type in battery like so, wait for this to go and load. And then what you can do is you can go and find battery just here and go and tap on it. Then we can press background usage limits, and you can go and switch on, put unused apps to sleep. And what you can do is find deep sleeping apps, and deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. So you can press the plus in the top right and add more apps here to go and stop them from running in the background. So you can go and do that, go and add them, and then press back. And what you can also do is go into sleeping apps. So sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. So what you can do here is go and remove them. If you were to remove them, all you need to do is press the three dots in the top right, and you'd go and press remove, and then you can go and select them. Of course, I haven't actually got any currently listed there, which is why I can't do that. But otherwise, you can select them and press remove, and they'll go and be removed from the list. So that's it. That is how you can stop apps running in the background. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.